So we're here at the Redondo Beach Pier. It's a beautiful day here, and you're seeing it right through my eyes, or through Meta's eyes. It's pretty awesome. It's a nice point of view. Be able to not have to worry about pulling out my camera, looking through the screen. Just whatever I see, it's seeing. So you guys are seeing. So it's pretty awesome. Hey Meta, can you tell me what kind of dishes are here at this restaurant I'm at? Hey Meta, start live AI. It really makes me wonder what OpenAI is up to, though. What's next? Because they just teased their new product that was made with John Ive, the guy that made the iPhone and the iPad and all the all the Mac stuff. He was the one that designed them all. He's like famous for that. And he teamed up with OpenAI. Apparently he made a new product that is not a product that has a screen on it, is all he would say. A screenless product. So people don't have to reach for their phone, pull out their phone, or reach for their laptop and pull up their laptop to go on ChatGPT or whatever. We're here at the Redondo Beach Pier, checking out the fresh seafood that just came in through the eyes of Meta. Awesome, smart dog, dude. Ooh, look at the sea urchins. Wow. The world is your oyster. Don't get clammy. Hey Meta, stop recording.
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Just watching you prepare those oysters.
Oh, yeah.
They don't get you horny preparing them, right?
No, no. I wish.
I'm glad they don't. I'm glad they don't get you that way.
Yeah, no. Hopefully you eat them, Sam.
All right, for sure. What kind of crabs are these? Spider crabs, huh? Pretty crazy. Yep. He's gonna play crab parkour.
He's scaling over the wall and leaning at him. Good crab is so much more expensive. Funny, I thought about doing a crab with the kids.
So guys, these Meta Ray-Bans, they for sure get, in my book, 100% awesome. I love them.
Closer, I would totally get some. That's why you come here and get
They're so awesome just to not have to worry about pulling out my phone and you're gonna miss something. All I have to tell Meta to do is just record a video and or grab a picture, and it's all good. I don't miss anything, any of the action. It's perfect. If you're looking at it, you're gonna get it in the shot. It's a beautiful day here in Redondo Beach, looking at through the eyes of Meta. That's right. You're checking it out right now through the Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses, the Wayfarer sunglasses. Look at the awesome quality they're getting. Look at the seagull flying through. Look at that quality. Highly recommend you grab yourself a pair of the Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses. The link's in the bio. Yeah, I do have to let you know that it is an affiliate link, but it does not charge you anything extra for these awesome sunglasses. It just gives you a way to get them. And what I actually did was I got the regular sunglasses for $299, and then I ended up getting these transition lenses that were aftermarket, and I just swapped them out. The aftermarket lenses were only $35, $34.99. The link's in the bio for those also. You pop them right out through the front of the sunglasses. You don't pop them back through the back where your eyes are. Push them out forward, pop the new lenses right in. Really, really, really simple. And it gives you these nice transition lenses and these Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer sunglasses for a total of $320, $330, instead of paying $450, $460 if you got them directly from Rayban. And to be quite honest, these new transition lenses, they actually swapped out and fit right in the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses way better than the original lenses that it came with. They're nice and tight. They don't jiggle around or nothing. Great. Highly recommend it. Hey, weenie dog. Hey, Meta, stop recording.